guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So today we are actually going to be getting into this month, October's Boxycharm. Yay! I guess really the purpose is to know, is it worth it or not? You can trust my opinion because this box is not sent to me for free. I pay a subscription and I am not being paid for this video. I am not getting anything out of this video other than giving information out to others who might be thinking about getting one. I'm gonna go over this month's Boxycharm subscription, what I actually received in my box, and I'm actually wearing a lot of what I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So I'm just gonna be going through it and, you know, kind of letting you guys know my thoughts about each of the products that I got this month. So the first thing I received was this Touch and Soul product. It is their Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and it looks like this. And it's basically a moisturizing primer. And this is the consistency. It's actually pretty thick. It's supposed to be super moisturizing, melts into your skin type of primer. So I'm guessing more towards dry skin maybe. I am wearing it right now underneath my makeup and I love it so much. I've already tried it a couple times and I really like it. I usually tend to go towards more moisture filled items when it comes to beauty products for my face. Honestly, like, I'm really loving it. And this alone retails at $32. So this alone is more than your subscription, your monthly subscription. And depending on what you're into, could be worth it alone just with this. The next item that I received was this Dose of Colors eye palette. It's their Marvelous Mauves. Here's the inside so you can get an idea of the colors. I actually have this whole palette all over my eyes. This is the only thing I used for my eyes in regards to eyeshadow. And I'm really feeling it, like, I love it. They were easy to apply, easy to blend. And for me, I hate when it's like, takes forever to blend it out just because of the consistency of the eyeshadow. But I really have no problems with this one. And I will definitely use it in the future continually. So this one is a thumbs up for me as well in the box. And this palette also retails at $32. So this alone to me is worth it because I spent less than what the retail is on my monthly subscription and I got this palette, which I probably would have bought on my own anyway. So totally worth it for me. So the next thing that I got in my subscription box was this Jontéblu lip liner, and it is in a dark natural color. That is the color of this liner. I actually have it on my lips along with the gloss, just so you can kind of, you can see that. It says that it's dark natural, but for me and my complexion, it's not very dark, but I still like the color. This lip liner retails at $5. So clearly not the not the $25 that you pay for your subscription, but it's a lip liner. You can't go wrong. I like it. I'm happy with it. It's not the selling point for me because it's just a lip liner, but I'm still happy with receiving. So the next item that I received was this iconic London lip plumping gloss. And the color that I got it in is Lovestruck. I don't know if you can tell, but I am wearing this lip gloss on my lips right now. It definitely has that little minty tingling effect that typical lip plumpers have. It's not sticky at all, which I love. And just so you can get an idea of kind of how it's very thin, it's not sticky, it's not super thick, which I love because I hate feeling like that. Like you have something on your lips. Like I want to feel weightless. I don't want to feel like cracks or it feels moisturizing. It feels great. So other than the tingling sensation, I wouldn't even feel like I had anything on, which I like. So this lip gloss actually retails at $26, which is about the subscription price. I believe it's $22, or with taxes and stuff, they might be raising it to $25. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but this alone is how much your subscription costs. I feel like this is somewhat of a universal lip gloss that can go over anything, or even alone. I've worn it without liner or any lipstick underneath and it still looks good, especially when you're going for a more natural look. It's perfect. And finally, the last item that I received in my subscription box are these little spa cleansing wipes, cleansing spa water cloths. It's a makeup remover, you know, it works great. I'm able to take off my makeup with it. I tend to, you know, after I take off my makeup with a makeup removing cloth, I still wash my face because I don't feel like the cloths alone are enough. But I feel like these cloths are still gentle and they still work their purpose. And these retail at $17. Honestly, I don't know if I would spend $17 on a small pack of cleansing wipes, even if they're spa water. But that's just me, because like I said, I'm gonna use another cleanser right after, so yeah. Overall, the total value of everything that I received in my subscription is $112. So to me, totally worth it. I'm super happy with this month's box, and I would totally recommend the subscription for anybody. I recommend it to my friends all the time. Like, you should totally get Boxycharm subscription if you don't already have one. Just because I really enjoy it. I look forward to getting it every month to see what's gonna be in my box. And I love how they have themes every month. It's a different theme and you get things according to that theme. This month's theme is Boxy After Dark, which I can totally get the vibe, like especially the eyeshadows. This is totally an after dark kind of look. That's my review of this month's Boxycharm. Overall, I'm satisfied. Comment down below what you thought of this review. If you have a Boxycharm subscription, or if you're thinking about getting one, what you think about it. Do you enjoy getting the items? Do you look forward to it like me? Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. While you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.